I am pursuing a MBA in finance, or I want to pursue a master's in finance. Should I still do a CFA? I'll tell you why you need a CFA even if you have done a master's in finance. If you want roles in equity research, credit research, some kind of hardcore valuation in investment banking space, there is no real course that goes into in-depth as the CFA. As a MBA, you are well-rounded. You're going to have topics in operations, marketing, strategy, apart from finance. However, CFA is finance. It goes in depth compared to any other course. When you're looking at investment management, this is a very laser-focused course that goes in depth. Think about your level 2 equity valuation. That curriculum they have there is the most comprehensive you will find across any courses, any programs globally for valuing equity securities. So later on, you're going to be working in any kind of a buy-side or sell-side firm doing research. This is going to be so critical. The knowledge you gain in the CFA program is going to be unlikely to be surpassed by any of the other courses. So any valuation, if you are going to be looking at portfolio management, definitely the CFA level 3 is all about portfolio management. So if your goal is to eventually manage money, then your CFA designation becomes almost mandatory in most places. It is the gold standard for investment management. So it's not either or. Do CFA even if you are doing an MBA in finance, if you want to be in one of the roles. All the very best.